This wildlife refuge is on a remote windy island between Nicaragua and Costa Rica. It's dedicated to protecting seabirds, especially the large populations of brown pelicans and magnificent frigate birds that nest here. Frigate birds have extraordinarily large wingspans, more than 6 feet wide, and can soar for weeks without landing. They can't land on water because their feathers aren't waterproof, but they're agile enough to forage from the surface of the ocean. They also steal food from other species, which is why they're called pirate birds. It's estimated that more than 200 pairs of frigate birds breed in this area. The birds thrive here because of the wind and access to fishing, and parts of the island are isolated from predators, making it a safe haven for the birds to have their young. Tourists can visit the area on boats from April to November, but must remain 50 meters away from the island.